We're going to Australia Zoo today! Woo! But first we're going to get coffee.
Definitely. More excited about coffee right now.
Not pet the wild lizard. Hello. Sorry. You are bigger than your friend.
He lost his tail.
Oh, call him Stumpy. Hello. Call me what?
I'll have you know, I used to have the biggest tail.
This is a rhinoceros iguana. It's one of the oldest things in the world, and he acts like a grumpy old man. Look at him. He's so done with everything. So this is Cameron the crocodile. I mean, he's probably dead now, but like, look how big he is. You look at that, I have to go to the sign. That's like the size of Steve Irwin. They're just a crocodile. I think I see why I don't go into the water in tropical North Queensland when you've got these things swimming around. Because that's bigger than me. Imagine riding a crocodile into battle. There's nothing good about a horse or a tiger. I'm riding Cameron into battle. It's hot.
What's your battle roar?
My leg is burning on Cameron's back.
Oh no.
Oh yes, the binturong enclosure. Yes. This is my favorite kind of binturong. They are digging. And now they are yelling.
Oh, me too, buddy. If that was happening to me, me too.
And they range in size from the small parrot all the way up to the hyacinth, which can grow over 1 metre long.
That is ginormous. Now, like us, they have unique personalities and looks. If you are able to see albacore up close, you might notice feather lines on their face.
Simply is not the case. We can definitely walk back faster than what a saltwater crocodile can come forward, and we're definitely not anything special. So we'll show you that here today with Casper. Just set him up. See what he wants to do. So usually once you get further away from him, but closer to his water, that's when he reacts, because that's when he knows he's in for a chance to get me. Because at day's end, me and Casper, we're not going to go and have a drink at the pub at the end of this and have a laugh about how we put on a good show. Every single time he strikes out at us, he's trying to get us. And like Doodle said, they can strike a fair distance, half their body length. So he could easily hit this back fence in the blink of an eye. So if I go quiet right now, it's because I'm nervous. They're incredibly smart. They have a frontal lobe just like us, so they can learn and remember. So even though he's a fairly new crocodile to the got to see him, he knows what we want him to do. And so he's pretty much going to try and do the complete opposite, try and do everything he can to catch us off guard. You can see that tail starting to twitch. Come on, come on. There we go, good sort of strike.
So, adventure in Australia Zoo, it's gotten a bit wet.
Started out really nice.
Well, it's pretty hot. But it's nice now. You know what? We love it. Let's hear the sounds of thunder! And now we are under shelter.
This is Queensland.
Oh, who knew we were going to be in Australia Zoo in a thunderstorm? Oh, that is sick. And like, because it's raining, no one is here. And this is the time I get myself struck on my main camera. Africa!
It's Africa, and it's raining. Whoa!
It rains down in Africa, and there's lightning, and we're getting the real experience. And Australia Zoo is really good at like making us immersed. I feel like I'm in the salt. Hey. Look at them! Oh, I'm getting wet, but they are so sweet. Look at them! Oh, it's tickling the other one. What? That's a lot of thunder and lightning. But these guys are loving it. They say don't stand close to a tree. But the elephants are so cute. They're busy comforting each other and having fun. Aww. It is raining a lot. But the tiger likes it. So we're coming back from Australia Zoo and it's green. It's green. Hello? What does that mean? Like, that is like proper enchanted weather. But hey, look how nice that picture is of Rainbow Beach. Oh,